This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect two oxygen concentrators together. This setup is often used when a single concentrator cannot meet a patient's oxygen needs or to provide a reliable backup system. By combining two units, you can achieve a higher flow rate, ensuring consistent oxygen delivery. It's a practical solution for enhancing respiratory support and peace of mind. To begin, gather your essential equipment. You'll need a medical-grade Y connector, which allows two inputs to merge into one output. Also, ensure you have sufficient lengths of standard oxygen tubing, typically 7 feet or more, to connect each concentrator to the Y connector, and then from the Y connector to the patient. Always use components designed for medical oxygen delivery. Now, let's connect everything. First, attach a length of oxygen tubing to the outlet port of your first concentrator. Do the same for your second concentrator. Next, take the free ends of these two tubes and firmly connect them to the two inlet ports of your Y connector. Finally, attach the patient's oxygen delivery tubing to the single outlet port of the Y connector, ensuring all connections are snug. After connecting, it's crucial to perform a thorough safety check. Turn on both concentrators and carefully inspect all connections for any hissing sounds or signs of air leakage. Verify that oxygen is flowing correctly through the patient's tubing. Remember to consult your doctor or a medical professional to determine the appropriate combined flow rate for your specific needs. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.